I wanted to record a quick video to show my thinking a little bit in terms of how I enrich and score an account in my CRM. So, as some of you know, we just implemented Attio as our CRM at the workflow company, and obviously, one of the first things that you do would be to see whenever a new account gets created in your CRM, whether they are a good fit for your company or not, right? So, uh, I want to. I've been working on building this system for a little while, and I think I'll do a separate walkthrough of the actual implementation of this. But I wanted to share a little bit around sort of the strategy or the high level thinking that went into how to structure the system, right? So this is sort of a general workflow of when a new account gets created in the CRM. In our case, Attio, it's then webhooked to Clay, where we'll do the research and the evaluation. The sort of separation of responsibilities between research and evaluation, as well as some of the prompts, were actually I took a lot of inspiration from Jordan Crawford's most recent course. So just plugging it in there. If you want to write really good AI prompts, that's something that you might want to check out. But anyways, the way I thought about assessing fit for a new account was really to think about what are the most important attributes for my company at this point, right? So one is sort of a general company overview, just to get a good feel for and understand what the company does, what their service offerings are, and any other attributes that might be relevant. But the following four are really the attributes that I look at a lot, right? So first is, are they in B2B or B2C? If they're in B2C, they're probably not going to be a very good fit, but B2B is a good fit. So it's more of a binary decision where if B2B, continue with the research. If B2C, then we can probably stop the research here and just say they're not a good fit. Then the question is, does it target the US market? A lot of the clients that I work with happen to be SaaS, which target the global market. And so in the prompting, we encourage our AI agent, this purple one here, to make inferences based on the lack of evidence. So for example, if based on your research, the company can't find any, or you can't find any information about where the company might operate, then maybe that's a hint or that's a signal that they operate globally, right? And we also look at, where's the company based, because oftentimes the company will usually serve its home country plus elsewhere. Then we look at the employee count, and for this, I think Eric Nowoslavsky had a similar tutorial on this, where you look at all the sort of main databases and do a Google search on them. So like there's probably like Apollo, ZoomInfo, DMB, Hoovers. I forget what maybe Crunchbase. I forget. Anyways, I send this agent here to all those different sources, and then we try to triangulate sort of what the right number is, and also we can assign weighting based on the trustworthiness of each source, right? Lastly, most of my really good fit clients have been VC backed, so it's not a must. It's not mandatory, but it's like sort of like a bonus point if they are VC backed. So I look at that as well, right? And a good set of resources for this would be Crunchbase, PitchBook, Dealroom, right? So then I instruct this agent to go to those sources and prioritize finding information there. I think the most important takeaway from how this research department of 5 bots is set up is that you want to take a modular approach if you suspect that your ICP will continuously change, right? So we're in technically year 2 of our agency operations, and our understanding and our value prop to potential clients continues to evolve, which means that our current definition of ICP today will not necessarily be static, and that will continue to evolve and update as well, right? And so I could have had one research agent that looked at all of these. Maybe wouldn't have done as good a job because its attention span would have been split across 5 different attributes, but I could have done that. But I didn't on purpose, because when you split out responsibilities and modularize your agent design, it actually makes it a lot easier to update any of them as your ICP changes. It also makes it a lot easier to swap some of them out and swap them in. So for example, if one day we decide that we want to go global and not start working with companies that are maybe not in the US market, I don't have to update the entire prompt anymore. I just update this one prompt, right, and swap that out. Let's say that down the road, whether a company is VC backed or not is no longer important. super easy. I can just delete this prompt and just remove this agent here, right? And then we'll just have a research department of 4 bots instead. So if you work in startups in tech, or if you serve a lot of tech startups, right, you know that things change really quickly. And also as you scale, sort of the customers that you work with might drastically change, right? In that case, I would advocate for setting up a modular architecture, right, where you have different agents doing different things, because it just makes it a lot more moldable, scalable, flexible, and it just makes it'll make your life a lot easier down the road to update these research departments. It's kind of like like hiring, replacing your existing employees. If they don't grow with the company, right? If they don't evolve, then you just need to replace them with someone who does, who is able to take sort of the new scope of responsibilities. Same thing here in terms of AI agents. Okay, so enough about that. What I do then is have one bot, a smarter one. So these I use GPT-4o Mini. Again, shout out to Jordan Crawford, who showed how cheaply it could be done. So this is literally probably costing me about 3 to 5 cents across these 5. And then the evaluation department is a smarter bot. So I use, I believe, Claude Sonnet 3.5, who takes the summarized and concentrated research report from each of these bots, and then puts it all together, evaluates it, and assigns a score, a numerical score out of 10, to figure out, is this company a good fit for the workflow company at this point? And then also writes up a final summary that we can push into Attio or another CRM to have as sort of the qualitative description of how we arrived at that fit score, and what are the key attributes that we found during our research phase that led up to that led to that score. The scoring system lives within the prompt here, right? So again, as your definition or understanding of your ICP changes, you just need to change the evaluation agent here. So that's pretty straightforward, and it looks at everything holistically, and so it's able to sort of balance the different research reports and assign sort of an appropriate weighting to each of them. Once that's done, we get the fit score, we get the final summary, and then we call Attio's API endpoint, which then updates that record inside of Attio, and now we have an enriched account with a fit score and research in our CRM. And then the last step would be to take a certain set of automated actions. If they're a fit, then maybe what I'll do is start a sequence, an email or LinkedIn sequence to reach out to either the contacts that I have in my CRM, or maybe I'll go out and find a better fit contact at that account and reach out to them. And if they're not a fit, then maybe the sequence stops here and we don't do anything. So hopefully you found this useful, at least from seeing how we do it at the workflow company. And I will record another walkthrough of the technical implementation of this approach in a separate video, and hopefully share it with you shortly. All right, thank you. And if you have any questions, comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments.